question is actually under numbers. At the start of the experiment, there are 20,000 bacteria. The number of bacteria increases at the rate of 30% per hour. So work out the number of bacteria after 4 hours. Okay, so now you know how to write the equation. This like there's a now in compound interest, we can use this formula: amount equals to principal 1 plus rate over 100 power n. N is time usually. So it's similar because it's compounding. The bacteria is compounding. So you can its initial is 20,000. 1 plus what's the rate? 30% over n power is your n. Yeah. So this capital N is your number of bacteria. Small n is time, or you can put t if you like. So this is 20,000 1.3 power n. So work out the number of bacteria after 4 hours. So you put 4 inside. So this is 1.3 power 4. Calculator. 20,000 times 1.3 power 4. Okay, my answer is 57,122 hours. How many whole hours? The number of bacteria is greater than 1 million. So we use this formula: 20,000 1.3 power n more than 1 million. Yeah, 1 million. So you cancel the 4 zeros. So it's 100, right? 1.3 power n more than 100. Use this one, you have to use trial and error. Your what do you call that? IGCSE algorithm. So you need to use trial and error. So let's see. 1.3 what? 10 is more than 100? No. Hey, sorry. I got to divide by 2. Sorry, I forgot to divide by 2. So it's 50. It's 50. 50, right? 1 million divided by 20,000 is 50, right? Okay. So I try with 1.3 power 20. Is it more than 50? Yes. How about 15? Yes. 15 is 14? No. So we let n equals to 14. 1.3 power 14 is 39.4. We let n equals to 15. 1.3 power 15 is, okay, 1.3 power 15 is 51 hours. Answer, and is after 15 hours. Whole hours. So take the integer. Yeah. You